I could be wrong, but I think it's gonna hail. It was 100 degrees, and then all of a sudden the temperature just fell. And I remember growing in Colorado that when the temperature fell, the hail usually followed. And I don't know if I have any way to prop this camera. I mean, I do, but let's see if we can capture something. Getting a lot of noise as far as thunder goes, but it sounds more like dry heat. Oh, that's going to be loud. Did you see that? Oh, here we go. Right? Here comes the honeys. He heard it too.
I saw the flash. Oh, good. It washed my cheek.
Yeah.
I didn't even know it was raining.
Yeah. Well, it's really, the thing is, it caught my attention. I was standing here, and all of a sudden the temperature just dropped. So I was like, oh, it's going to hail.
Did it
So
help?
now I'm waiting to see if it's just going to drop. We'll see.
Oh, good. Like it. Cleaning.
It is definitely cleaning. And the horses over there got really quiet and still. Now they're kind of moving around, but yeah.
Difference between this rain and Newport rain is how warm it is there.
Yeah. Yeah, here. See, it's picking up now.
Yeah. Well, cool. I like it. We need it.
Yeah. Having my tea. Yeah, that was another one. That's gonna be loud.
Over us. That one was right over there.
I caught it. It is on my video. I'm just letting it run. Oh, here it comes.
Oh, right over us. again.
Yeah. You're so funny.
I like Kramer. Kramer's a good.
And slides. It's raining now. It's raining good.
Yeah, now it's gonna go BAM! It'll scare the heck out of it.
Right there, folks. That is a downpour in Nevada. Only in Nevada do you get downpours with dry sidewalks.
It's barely raining.
I know. It reminds me of the stories of when Potsy, my mom, used to cut the clouds for these huge storms in Colorado. They were the coolest things ever. They weren't even like monsoons. They were just a lot of lightning and thunder and heavy rain and hail, sideways hail. I would be terrified. She scared me so much with storms that by the time I was 12, I couldn't even like function. I would hide behind her back, and I couldn't stand the sound of thunder. It would just, I'd be paralyzed with fear. But after my dad died, we went up to Hermit's Peak, and we were at 13,000 feet with the most incredible storm ever. And it cured me. It helped to actually be up in the storm. And now, ever since then, as an adult, I totally love storms. I learned that there really wasn't anything to fear. Even with flooding, go to higher ground. I mean, tornadoes, go underneath. But regardless, you know, if you're lucky, you have options. And so I wasn't scared. And even with the RV shaking side to side at 50 miles an hour, it didn't scare me. So now I just thoroughly enjoy them.